How to set up a new Instagram account. To do that, you can just tap on create a new account. You can choose your username first, so let's enter our username to see if it's available. And Instagram will check from its database if the username is available. So if it isn't, you will have to add letters or symbols or numbers to make it a unique username, because every username on Instagram is a unique one. So once you do that, you can either create this account and connect with your account center, or you can make it separately. Right now, I'm just going to create a password to make it separately. I'm just going to enter my password. After you have entered your password, it will ask you to add email address or phone number, so you can do either. I'm just going to continue with email address and tap on next. And it will successfully create a new account. So to complete sign up, it will take a while. So once it is registered, you will be able to use the account normally. You can add your suggestions from Facebook, or you can skip this process for now. You can skip all of these for now. So after you have done that, it will ask you to follow a few people right here. You can skip this as well. And from here, you should be able to use your brand new Instagram account. So yeah, I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.